Hello and welcome to the Nordic Finance YouTube channel, and today we're going over FXF a hybrid liquidity aggregator token that has recently seen a lot of positive price movement. So we'll jump right into it, and going over to the charts, we have our 1 hour per candle chart. This is spanning the whole month of March and the end of February, and we see that we have kind of a support resistance mirrored zone right here at 60 cents. Then we see a strong resistance up here at 70 that we didn't even touch. And recently, in the past couple days, we've seen a lift off from the 60-cent support zone, clean break through 70, 80, a touch at 90, and then a reversal back down to 80. And now we're positively plotting price points from there, a bit of an alliteration. So for those of you who don't know what FinxFlo or FXF is, it combines or hybridizes the prices of all of the different exchanges at once, allowing buyers to get good fills on large orders for large amounts of cryptocurrencies. Just jumping over to some stuff over here, we see an increase across the board, currently a 9.46% increase. But we go over to liquidity is up, volume is up, but the important one over here, for those of you searching for hidden gems or very low cap cryptocurrencies with good use cases, transactions in the past 24 hours, we're at 761. Really doesn't seem like a lot. And compared to normal, we're up 83%, almost 84%, meaning that we are averaging around 400 transactions per 24-hour period. This is a incredibly, an incredibly sparsely known or scarcely known cryptocurrency. We go over to volume. Of course, we're seeing volume pick up. Going to liquidity, remaining essentially the same, slow increase. But price over here, we are seeing pretty dramatic spikes. Oh, the other thing I forgot to mention is this has not been around for very long. This chart's giving us information as early as February 20th. I think it launched a little bit before that. But yeah, we're looking at a very young cryptocurrency. We'll hop over to the website here, and we're going to get right over into some of the use cases. And just real quick, I've already covered FinxFlo on the channel here. So after this video, feel free to go and check out that one as well. We do a little bit more of a deep dive into the cryptocurrency, its use case, and where I see it going, which I will again do in this video. But if you want a deeper dive and more content, that is available in our other video. So, best price discovery. The proprietary algorithm is developed so as to provide the optimum price for any digital token, meaning that clients receive the best offer for their ask and bids. And this doesn't matter on the trade size. So for ultra large scale trades, FinxFlo offers they claim to offer a unique opportunity that you will get fills on your trades regardless of trade size. And they use the global aggregator tool, and it compares the prices of more than 50 exchanges, giving you smart fills across the exchanges. Wall Street has been using this technology to quick route their large orders for hedge funds and investment banks and the likes of those types of institutional trading facilities. They've been using this technology for a fair amount of time just for standard exchanges and securities, and now we're seeing the same type of technology available to everyone through cryptocurrency via FXF. And just for those of you wondering, the ERC20 or ERC20 token address can be found at the top of the website. You can just toss that into any of the exchanges, pull it up, and swap over some tokens, Ethereum to FXF if you wish to acquire any for yourself. But getting back into it, it's device compatible. It offers a singular wallet to manage and trade cryptocurrencies. So similar to, it offers like a Coinbase-esque or MetaMask-esque service there. It's encrypted, of course, and regulated and compliant, also pretty self-explanatory, but you don't get this with everything. Know Your Transaction is a service that we don't usually see, and it checks the transactions and it implements security features across the platform. So this is focused on global growth and long-term usability for large amounts of money. And it offers a pretty good user experience so far. We'll get into the actual app, which is the positive catalyst. That is, we're seeing the use case for the token increase as the app comes out, so the price is increasing. So what's in it for you? It's a one-stop solution. The mobile app enables access to multiple features and functionalities that we've been going over, and it provides, quote, the best experience to every trader, no web version required. I've yet to use it. I will be sure to download the app, and I will be leaving a proper review of it. Advanced tools, smart order routing, consolidated order books, advanced technological protocols, and user-friendly interface for traders to get started. That is pretty interesting to me, and that's why I'll be checking it out for sure. And industry-leading security standards such as end-to-end military grade. It's kind of a buzzword, but hey. Encryption and mutual authentication along with non-custodial management of crypto assets. Now that is pretty kick-ass. Pardon my French, but I will definitely be checking it out. White paper and demo trading available on the website as well. And we're going to go over to the tokens. So I personally use Uniswap. They're available on a couple others, it looks like, which is pretty cool. You can also stake your tokens for fairly good returns. And just going back over to Uniswap, I just wanted to point out that we have not reached $1 yet, and with the app just taking off and with under an average of, let's say, 500 trades per 24-hour period, once the app really increases in its user base, you'll of course see the transactions picking up, which will lead to more volume. People will add more liquidity as the volume increases, looking for returns, and this will become a classic positive feedback loop that we see with a lot of cryptocurrencies that are unveiling their proper use cases. Pardon me. So going back to, this is kind of like a one-day chart, and you can see the strength of the candles, and we're meeting a pretty strong resistance here. Now, why I'm making this video right now is we've had this super solid run, and with the app coming out, we want to be watching these hard resistance zones, because when we take off from them and near new ones that we're looking to break, we can see a lot of momentum, and in that momentum there are good opportunities to catch it. So we're recovering through here, going back to volume. So volume is, this chart is a little deceptive, but volume is up quite a fair amount. It's a little bit more easy to visualize with the 104%. But I wanted to make another video just to cover this, go a little bit more deeper in depth. Now, kind of getting to where I see this going, I touched on it a little bit, but as the app comes out, I see this getting more and more coverage on more and more media platforms, especially as people begin to play around with and utilize the existing features in the app, and we'll see how powerful of a tool it actually is, how much it can save you on gas fees, the likes of that stuff. And I think that those, utility-based deciding factors will play out in the next couple days, and we'll see either a return back down to the 60-cent zone, or my other target would be clean crushing of the $1 hard resistance, which from there a lot of the small cap cryptos tend to kind of take off. I think it's a bit of a psychological sign, and a lot of people, once it passes $1, it's almost like a rite of passage. So you definitely want to watch out for stuff like that with these small cryptos. And if this has been helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Boost this for the algorithm so more people can find out about FXF FinxFlo and the other small cap cryptos that we are covering on the channel. I really try and get them out there so people can find out about all these exciting opportunities that are kind of appearing in the beginning of the age of crypto. I think there's going to be a lot of very interesting cryptocurrencies out there with a lot of more in-depth and niche use cases than the cryptocurrencies that we've previously kind of seen get a lot of mainstream attention. And I'll be there covering those cryptocurrencies as I find them, and I'll be sure to share them with you guys. So if this has been helpful, like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe, boost it for the algorithm, and I'll definitely continue covering FXF and other cryptocurrencies that I find that I think will be interesting for you guys. So be sure to stay tuned, and I'll see everyone in the next one. Hope you all have really good luck trading, and be sure to do your own research, do your own diligence. Of course, this is kind of all personal opinion, just backed on my own research. So this isn't professional financial advice, so take it all with a grain of salt. But I definitely try and offer the most sound, safe plays that I can find for you guys. So just keep that in mind, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Take care, and thank you so much for watching.